Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix sorry we are unable to process your request at this time in Rockstar Gaming. So how can you fix that? Now first of all, make sure that your PC or laptop does not have any kind of VPN running in the background. If it has, make sure to check it from the task manager. It might be running in the background, so close it properly. Once it is closed, the second thing that you need to do is just go inside the search section and just write down date and time formats. Just click on it and make sure that your date and time and language, that zone is basically perfect, or just click on sync now. Make sure that set time zone automatically, that is turned on, time automatically, this make sure that all of them are turned on, and just click on sync now as well to properly sync that time. If your region is the correct one, make sure to choose your correct region. After that, try it, hopefully it will be fixed. But if you still face the problem, so what you need to do is just go inside the Rockstar website. Let me just go here, let's say like this one. This basically Rockstar official website. Once you go inside the Rockstar official website, make sure to log in your account, and once you're logged in, just right click on it and you will see your username. Just click on account, click on settings, and once you're inside the settings, so you will see all these sections. So just go to linked accounts, and once you're inside the linked account, so make sure if you have a PlayStation Network or Xbox, the linked or Google link, just unlink it. And once it is unlinked, you just need to relink your account with the Rockstar Gaming again. So once you relink it, after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do that.